This lesson is over views of 3D figures. These notes correspond to page 8 in your notebook. This is a review of the same concept that we covered last year in 6th grade, so it might seem kind of familiar to you as we're going through it. We've just incorporated it into our lessons this week since we're in our 3D unit. The first example is done for you. The first piece you're seeing here is the 3D figure itself. So imagine building this letter, looks like the letter U. Imagine if you were to build this with actual cubes on your desk. The different views that you're seeing is if you were to look at this 3D figure from different viewpoints. Looking at it from the front, you're going to see just the front pieces. Obviously, what's on bottom, this would be basically sitting on your table. So that's what's going to be flat down. So looking at it, you're looking at the letter U. So that would be your front view. If you were to build this figure and stand on top of your desk and look down at this figure, the top view that you would see is the top of these 3 columns. Even though the 2 of the columns are taller than the third one, you're still just seeing a straight line of those 3 tops, which is what you see here provided. The side view, if you were to turn this figure to its side, you would see these 3 pieces only. Everything else would be behind it. You wouldn't know how many are behind it. All you're seeing is those 3 from the side. If you were to turn it the other way again, you would still, looking at it from the side, just see those 3 side pieces, which is this one straight column that you're seeing provided to you. The second one, only the top is given to you. So we're going to practice drawing the front and side views. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 that you're seeing from the front. If I'm looking at it from the front, I really can't see that. That's my side view. That's just showing you how far back the other piece goes. So looking at this from the front, what I'm actually seeing are just those 12 pieces. So it goes 4 long. Oops, let me change my color. It goes 4 long, and then it stands 3 high. So that's all I'm seeing. If I were looking at it from the front, I'm seeing 12 total pieces that are all next to each other. Now, if I were to turn my figure and look at it from the side, now what I would be seeing are these 3 side pieces along with the other column. So I would see 2 columns of 3. So I would see these 6. You can draw it wherever you want there. But that's what I would be seeing. My first column of 3, my second column of 3. And then the top is already done for you. You can see the top, it kind of looks like the letter Z. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2. Try the next example on your own. You're going to draw all 3 views, front, top, side. Let's assume that this is the front, and then this shaded part is the side. Go ahead and draw those pieces with that given information. For your front, you're seeing this box of 9, and then plus this one little piece coming off that kind of looks like an L. So you would have your box of 9, and then there's my one little piece coming off that looks like the letter L. Looking at my figure from the top. From the top, I'm going to change colors here so we can kind of just make it stand out. Looking at it from the top, I would see 3, 3, 3, and then a little one all by itself. So I would, again, have a 3 and then a little L hanging off by itself. So on this particular 3D model, and this does not happen very often, two of my views are actually the exact same. If you look at your front and top drawing, they are the exact same. And then the last one, the side view that you're seeing, looking at it from the side, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 3 columns of 3. So from the side, you're only seeing those 9 cubes. You're not seeing that single one. It's behind there, so you would not be able to see it at this point.